DeMambro here. We're going to take a look now at what is in fact a very scarce early guidebook. The covers are detached. It's got a very early owner's plate or sort of card at the front. It's an 1838 city directory. It's the first one, May of 1838. It's, as you can see, issued in paper wraps and then was bound later in this marbled paper binding, boards binding. This front cover here looks like someone long ago used a paper tape on it. And then at the front, what we see is this engraved map, 1838 by Gardner, with original hand color. It's engraved by Twitchell. And here's the title page. And so, as you can see, despite the covers being detached, the text block itself is still sewn as issued. It's got an advertisement section at the rear here from various merchants that lived in the city. Here are other facts relating to outside of the city, such as the government, right here. And then we get into the directory itself, which starts with a list of names and so on, then all the streets. What's interesting, of course, in these early directories, what makes them interesting, is that each person, in addition to their address, has what their occupation or profession was, like a copper plate printer. That's interesting, a copper plate. This person was a bookbinder. And there was a widow, a bookseller right there, Barnes. Well, that could very well be the Barnes & Noble. And I believe, let's just keep going through here and get towards, I'm wondering, yes, sometimes these actually have separated out people by race. These kinds of directories sometimes separate out lists of occupants by race. This one doesn't, because it's probably just almost too early for that. But at any rate, here's the rear cover, still present. This item is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.